This is Savor and Instant, and I'm Jimmy with Instant Brands. The holiday season is a really wonderful time to make something special for the people around you. Just because something's special doesn't mean that it has to be hard. Today, for example, we're gonna make a slow-cooked Greek leg of lamb. And we're gonna do that by slow cooking it in the Instant Pot. Please, don't forget to subscribe to these videos so you can see this recipe and our 1,500 others available on our website, but also available on our Instant Brands Connect app. The first thing I'm gonna do is make sure this is nice and hot. I've had it on the saute function for a few minutes. We're gonna add some olive oil to that because we are about to sear the sides of the lamb, okay? So we wanna make sure that we liberally salt and pepper the first side that we're gonna sear. And then while the lamb is searing on all sides, we're gonna get our spice mix together. So what I have here is a mortar and pestle, and we're gonna add our spices to it first. We're gonna add rosemary, thyme, dried oregano, and paprika. We're just gonna smash those together, make a spice melody or a Spice Girls, if you will. Okay, this is pretty well smashed. Now I don't have to vamp anymore. I'm gonna put this back into one of these. We're gonna add minced garlic, lemon juice, olive oil. We're just gonna stir that and combine it real good. Well, Superman does good. We do things well. Okay, that's all set. So now we're gonna remove the lamb from the pot. While this is still on saute, we're gonna deglaze with chicken stock. You don't wanna lose that flavor, so you wanna scrape the really tasty bits that are created when you brown things. Once you scrape all the bits off, we're gonna throw our shallots in there, and we're gonna press cancel on the Instant Pot. And now we are going to spoon our spice mixture over the lamb. Giving this lamb a delicious herb bath. I'm gonna add this back to the pot on top of the shallots. Now we're gonna put the lid back on. We're gonna set it to slow cook for 6 hours. And now that that's set, I got a whole lot of wrapping to get done.
"'Tis the season to be young, troll the ancient Yuletide carol. Fa la 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 la. Deck the halls with boughs of holly, fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly, fa la 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 la. Troll the ancient Yuletide carol, fa la 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 la.
Whoa! Now that is a holiday treat! And that smell. Oh, that lamb. Now that is a holiday treat. And this is a holiday treat for your eyes, my beautiful blazer. This is Savor an Instant, wishing you a happy and merry holiday season. Oh, that lamb, so tender, so delicious. Please remember to subscribe below, share it with your friends, and we'll see you next year. Everybody get in here, you gotta try this. Beats milk and cookies. Happy holidays.